Hello guys, got a video on my 1.83 Mac Mini, 1.83 mid 2007 model. It's stock. It has, when I purchased it, said 1 gig, the 80 gig drive, and the 1.83 gigahertz Core 2 Duo. Nothing else has changed, but the RAM is up to 2 gigs. I paid $10, just got back. For meeting someone on Craigslist, it was crucial. Exactly what I need. Got the old stuff all packaged up. May find it up on eBay or just keep it in a box. Keep it handy. So I'm going to do a boot time video. I never made one before it. I was stupid, I know. So I will hit the stopwatch at the exact same second as I hit the power button. And starting now. You can watch the timer. This hard drive went bad in it like a week or two after the warranty expired, so I had an extra 80 gig laying around. A friend got a PS3 before he, because it went bad or whatever, so he gave that to me. I don't know if it's like a 4200 RPM or what it is. It isn't too speedy. I mean, this isn't bad. There you go. 36 seconds. I know if I changed out the hard drive, I could get a lot better speeds. So 36 second, 36.9. That's the time. I mean, that wasn't completely precise, but you get the point. And I will reset it. Just remember, 36.9. I reset that. And I will hit shut down. And there we go. 5 seconds to shut down. So that isn't too awful. $10, $10 upgrade, that's not bad at all, is it? Hopefully this will help out in editing videos, especially in this. It would take a long time to upload or to encode a 720p video from my Canon Rebel. Well guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.